Okay, so to build monaldehyde, the easiest thing to do is to start off with the vinyl fragment. You can grab that by going up to the R group thing right up here and changing that to where you see the vinyl fragment. And so from there, you can go back up to the R group fragment and grab the formal group, which you can put on when substitute for one of the hydrogens to get the carbonyl on your monaldehyde. And so the builder has defaulted for the oxygen to be facing away from the rest of the carbons, but we can change that with the modified dihedral tool. Just make sure to select the atoms in order and make sure that one of them is fixed, and then you can slide it around. And of course, we can complete our monaldehyde by going up to the elemental fragment and choosing a divalent oxygen and placing it where it should be, substituting for the hydrogen. And of course, we can modify that dihedral so that the hydrogen can interact with the carbonyl to enable hydrogen bonding in our ending structure. So we can do that by the same method we changed around the oxygen on the carbonyl. And in this case, it might be obvious that the lowest energy structure is this that we've just created here, but you should really figure that out for yourself and calculate other rotamers and other bond angles and see how they turn out. And of course, part of this experiment is comparing and contrasting how the Hartree-Fock calculation goes and how the semi-empirical PM6 calculation goes, which you probably already know how to do, but I'll leave in here just without commentary. course, one last value that you need for this assignment is the CPU time that it took. You can't find this in the checkpoint file, but you can find it in the log file, which you can go by just going up to results and summary, and it'll be right in the bottom there. And if you know how to use command line, you can access the log file directly in text form. And there you can find a lot of other useful information that you can't find on Gauss View, but you can also find the CPU time there, but this isn't a necessary way to do it.